Hey, what's up guys, it's Vishu from Geek Starts, and in this video we are going to launch our website. Not our website, we are just going to create a register page and connect it with the database and enter a new user. But just so you know, our Apache web server, so LAMP stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. So our Linux instance is running, our Apache is running. MySQL we just like secured it and we have everything going on. P stands for PHP and we already saw that it's running. So our LAMP server is ready and it's time to use the LAMP server. So I have this PHP port example which is quite good. It's quite famous when you search for things on PHP because there are a shit. So I'm not going to explain you the code, you can just read it if you don't know PHP. The Code Academy course, it's quite interesting. I kind of hate it and it's kind of old right now. People are moving to Node.js, AngularJS, React, but I'm just going to download this or I can also let's just download this. So I'm going to download start download. I'm going to open this and hold on. So we have to open these files. There are two PHP files. So one is index. So index.php, it would be index.php, and copy this, come to your instance, go to cd var www html. There's nothing going on here, so I'm going to clear the screen. I'm going to do a vim index.php, click on I and right click. So it is going to paste the whole, and I told you, just go through Code Academy if you want to understand this code. It's like easy, it's HTML and PHP. So this is like the username, this is the table data, table row, table data. This is like a table. If you see over here, let me show you that. Okay, so this is a table, these are the table rows. So the table data is username, and then username. Then there's a input type is equal to text, which is this text field. Then class of this text field is demo input box. This is for CSS. The name is username and the value is PHP. It is taking it as PHP value right here, which is good to pass to the DB controller. DB controller is the second file which has the PHP functionalities. So if I open this, there's a connection, and you don't really have to worry about this. Just go to W3 schools, try to understand MySQL if you don't know it, or you can learn it via Stack Overflow. Just fucking try it. So click on escape. Let me quit this. Oh, did I save this? Oh, I didn't save it. So let me save, copy this, and copy and paste. So I'm going to do a WQ, which is save and quit. So as you can see, it's there now. So vim db controller.php, click on I, open the db controller, copy this, paste it over here, and go up and put the password as your password so it can connect to the database. And we don't have a PHP pod examples database, so I will have to create this. And just so you know, I'm copy pasting this because I have worked on MySQL and PHP during my engineering days, so I basically know what is going on here. So if you are completely new to this, I would highly recommend you to at least check how to connect a PHP and MySQL database, and there are so many tutorials over there, so you at least have a basic idea of what is going on and how it is communicating with the database. Because if you put this on your resume and they ask you some basic questions about PHP, you won't be able to answer, then it might seem fake. So just go through it once before you do anything. So I'm going to do a MySQL -u root and -p for password. My password is Vishu, and here I'll do a show databases, and semicolon. So these are the three databases that we have, and we need a database called php pod examples. So I'm going to do a create database, right click and semicolon. So once this is created, I'm going to use it, and now I have to create a table to put all the users in there. So that would be this MySQL file. So I'm going to double click to open it. Database is over here, we have created it. So create table if not exists. Let me copy this, and I'm going to run the whole command and hit enter. So query is okay. So now everything has been set up. Let me go to the instance and try to open the index.php page. So I do a index.php, and it should show me the basic registration page. Come on. Okay, so we have something over here. So let me do a vishuke. Let me try my name, Campbell, password, issue at geekstarts.info, mail, accept, register, and is it going to show an error? Oh, so you have registered successfully. So let me see if the user went in the database. So what I'm going to do is do select stars from registered users and semicolon, and you can see the user and the first name, last name, password has been encrypted, my email address. Let me try another one. It's over here, and let me try Kamble vishu.mb, mail, accept, register, and I will have to run this again. So it has registered successfully. So let me run this again. So you can see 2 users over here. So everything is working fine. Our LAMP server is up and running, and we have configured it. So we can actually register new users. We can also do a login if we just do like a login page and check the passwords. But everything is up and running. In the next video, we will just like host a static website. So I'll see you guys in the next video.